What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be running the Acme Barbarian NXL .28. So yeah guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start it up and I'll put us back on the channel once it's going. Stay tuned for the run.
It's very rich guys, very rich. I think I'm going to need to tune it. I've ran this for a while since we had the incident where it almost ran away when the throttle arm stripped.
Well that's it guys, it's run out of fuel now after almost being crashed into by a van that was with speed in, way past the 20 mile an hour speed zone this road is. Must have been doing at least 40, I don't know, but never mind, it is what it is. So yeah guys, it'd be a great appreciation if you would like, subscribe, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.